got this great big on the west side. They got rid of quick now. Next thing they won't do is work on that 747. So, ain't no pain, no strain, big brother, man. I'm just trying to let this thing do what it do. You know how Ray Charles said, I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. Hey, I gotta try to get it right. Hey, Big Chief. Big Chief, what? Snoop Dogg. Sorry, Snoop Dogg. Sorry, Snoop Dogg. Cornbread sound like it's gonna be oh so delicious on that end. Hey, that cornbread that you make it sound like it's gonna be oh so delicious. When you got up off of it, I heard Cockeye Jr. and Midwest bumping it down, cut me, but you got that thing laid down. Hey, number 8 downtown in Georgia with a homemade cornbread I see. Oh, damn, nah. You done messed up a tongue, now. You some downtown Africa liquor sometime called Scatterman, I see you find fireball. Snoop Dogg, Scatterman, I see you find fireball. Wait a minute, world class Scatterman, you start off calling 418, then you switch it up calling number 8. Which one is gonna be, Scatterman? And I know that Scatterman number 8 got that worldwide hammer down, man, but Lord have mercy, don't give it all to number 8. I want to talk to that stuff up. Hey, Snoop, bye. Oh, I said, click. All right, world class, no pain, no shame. Because what you say, you ain't looking at me, man. It don't matter. Sometimes you can and sometimes you can't. Hey, you know, like the old folks, you say, some folks can't. Hey, nobody can't care why you pull over that mobile downtown in the BAM. Tell all my big brothers in the BAM that I did say hello, Mellow Joe, and I passed through the BAM and I said, what's up? I see ya. All right, here, 418, take care of your weekend, man. Try to bring in the back. Audio, just 1, 2. Let me back this thing down, put it on the QRT side. Audio! I'm officially 10-7. Hey, Cockeye Jr., that caught me number 8 been there and gone, man. He told me to tell them guys in the BAM that he say hello, Mellow Jello, and all that good stuff. That caught me number 8, man. That caught me a Shaq nasty on that caught me in, man. You have to come on with it, Cockeye Jr. If you want to see number 8, you going to have to make your patch your feet to the Motown beat.
Boy, if I didn't have a Sneaky Pete, I sure want me a 418. If I didn't have a Sneaky Pete, I would love to have me a 418. I'm getting down.
Ah, that's my home. Well, what's going on, man? Don't worry about that, man. You got the best with what you're working with. Hey, homeboy. I believe that. I ain't gonna call. I believe that's Stone Pony on that here. But hey, man, you got one of the best in the business on that cotton big end, man. This all you gotta do is put that Sneaky Pete. Hello, Dougie Fresh around New York. Hello, Dougie Fresh around New York. Dougie Fresh, go 300 in the wings.
Yeah, baby, don't you be calling me Stone Pony, Duck Plugger. You know where I'm at. I'm downtown Macon, Georgia. I'm downtown Macon, Georgia. Hey, Mr. 418, if I didn't have a Sneaky Pete, boy, I would love to have me a 418. I'm getting down.
Somebody only outside,
Boy, you running up with them boys on the west side again. West side is coming to my radio along with the bighorn. Hey, Mr. 418, I just got in, me and the sweet thing from getting out something yummy for my tummy, and I heard you out here, so I figured I'd come down there and slow roll this Sneaky Pete in Georgia. Hello, Mr. 418. I ain't telling you who I am. I'm getting down. Number 8 dreaming. Number 8 is dreaming. Number 8 is dreaming. Number 8 is dreaming. Hello, Ranger and the Hog, y'all. I'm gonna say hello, how they do to you also. Hey, 418. Number 8 is dreaming. He wish he was on a duck plugging Sneaky Pete. Maybe he want one of them 418. Hello, Mr. 418 roller coaster is getting down.
Whatever you're doing, number 8, with your big blue box, keep it on Mega Road. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye. That's the wrong side of that street, Mike. If you got Mother Nature and the box won't stay together with you, what happens there? Hey, I want you to answer that for me on 27.025. If you got Mother Nature, every time you walk out there on that cotton big end, on that end, you got Mother Nature and the box won't stay together, what you do? Number 8, I see.
Now you see, I can't come out here slow rolling this Pete with number 8 out here. Hey, Mr. 418, I cannot come out here and slow roll this Sneaky Pete with number 8 out here, because he running that big old ghost ride over there. Hey, number 8. I mean, dog, I'm about to call you number 8, 418. I'm quiet.
You got that 410. Well, I don't know, boy. You slow rolling that Sneaky Pete. You got time on that bottom. You got derail sound. It's super good. 03 double O is clear. Zero reflex. You said a mile 4. But that don't be the case all the time. Anyway, take care, man. I was trying to find out who that was on that Pete in Georgia, man, for Duck Lucky Show, but I'm gonna pull back. Hey, number 8, take care. It was real rough that key go round, but I did get the end of it. Number 8, zero reflex. You know what it is. Get down, get down, get down. You're 245.
I guess you done forgot who I was. You done forgot who I was, Kevin, nigga. Hello, Ranger. I'm going to say hello, Ranger. I'm going to say good evening to you also, man. I got a duck plug on West Coast coming in here, and I got a bighorn all in my damn radio. The son of a bad man in Georgia, slow rolling, his Pete is getting down.
The son of a bad man on his cat big in here, man. Lord have mercy, man. I apologize. You said my apology. Tell Ranger and the Hogs out I say what's up, too, man. Tell him I sent a friendly 5 his way, man. I hope all is well around his way, man. You got one of the best on that cotton big in here. Hey, my big brother in Georgia, you running the best on that end. I'm right back. Come on.
Yeah, this is number 2. This is my number 2 Sneaky Pete. Number 1, she ain't ready yet. Hey, Mr. 418, what's going on, Kevin, nigga? It's been a while since I bump it down with your duck plugger. Hey, Mr. 418, roller coaster is getting down.
Yeah, right. I knew that's who that was, man. I had called your name earlier, roller coaster, man. But Lord, that money don't told me I better not call him roller coaster. But I only know as you as being the lead holder of the Sneaky Pete's down there in Georgia. I can't do that where you had them all down. Hello, roller coaster in Georgia, right back. Come on. When I get ready to get.
You know, right on, Kevin, nigga. I was slow rolling this Kevin, nigga, when I first bumped it down. But I forgot number 8 over there. I can't be slow rolling this duck plugger with number 8 out there. Hey, Mr. 418, I cannot be slow rolling this number 2 Sneaky Pete when number 8 is out there. That's a bad man over there in Columbus, Georgia. Hello, my 418 friend. If I wasn't running a Sneaky Pete, I damn sure have me on 418. I'm getting down.
And I appreciate it by all means, man, but you got one of the best man in the business that can put you together and got you 10 days straight, man, on the cotton in the end, man, and you put a great big old grin on my chin. Hey, roller coaster, yo, Kim folks, I was bumping was trying to send a Watergate to you to get to him on that cotton picking there. He's somewhere around Georgia. He said he's related to you. But I was trying to get a Watergate to you to get it to him at Tempo.
You say somebody around Georgia, somebody around Pensacola. Chump Change to be my uncle on the sand pile. That's the only relative I have in Georgia. I mean, on the radio. That's my Uncle Chump Change down there on the sand pile. That's for sure. But nonetheless, I just got in from the sitting down with the sweet thing. We went out to the Longhorn. We sat down and had us some dinner, man. And I came out here, and that duck plug on 418 got the hammer down over there. Hello, Mr. 418 roller coaster's getting down.
I so appreciate it, man. I just got off the jet off the Southwest airline. Came from the sand pile. I was down there about 8-9 days on that cotton picking in. But no, matter of fact, he said you helped him put his station together. His antenna. He down there in Georgia on that cotton picking in. But all right, man, take care of roller coaster, man. I'm gonna send this one to you, big brother. And cotton picking good seeing you okay in the Carolinas. That's the Duck Luggage Show. Take care. Roller coaster on your great big Sneaky Pete, your number 2 station. I'll see you.
Number 2, Sneaky Pete. Number 2, Sneaky Pete. Number 1 is looking at number 2 and jealous. Number 1, she's looking at number 2 and she's jealous. Let me get out here. Take care of my friend 418. I'm gonna name this Watergate the 418 show. I had the Big Bull show earlier. Now it's the 418 show, and the Bighorn roller coaster is gone.
You can't be making them Sneaky Pete's jealous of each other on the end, man. Hey, you might have a damn catastrophe. Hey, roller coaster. You might hit the switch on that cotton digger, and another one jump on top of the other one. You hear kabam, kabam, kabam. You be upstairs and say, what in the hell is going on in the next show? Take care, coaster. You got a good man on your team. That's what Duck Luggage Show. Roller coaster. You and your Sneaky Pete. I see you.
Bye. All you said was all I got. You all up in Macon, Georgia, can't make it. Hey, Mr. 418, you all up in Macon, Georgia, got that hammer down. Sound like you got real estate in Georgia. Holler at you later, my friend. Take care and stay safe. Stay safe. Hey, Mr. 418, your roller coaster, a.k.a. the son of a bad man in Georgia, got down.
Another lot of son of a bad man. Take care, man. Keep your head up and keep pushing forward. As long as you got that Sneaky Pete and you got out in the middle of the road to make you make it rough, cut me. Hey, son of a bad man. Long as you got that Pete in the middle of the street, Lord have mercy. I see you. Bye, bye, bye.
Well, I'm going to stand down. I'm going to stand down so you can talk to Zero Reflex. I'm going to stand down so you can talk to Zero Reflex. Let me get out here before I start something. I'm getting down.
Come on, Ranger. Oh, Lord, I done spoke too soon. We got one of them other big heavy hitters in Georgia. D-Rail came and bumped it down. It was kind of close, but D-Rail had the edge on that end, and he said he wanted to just bump it down and wave ahead. That's a Duck Luggage Show. Hello, D-Rail. Hello, Coast. Miss AT right back. Come on.
You're going to have to get deep in the pump. D-Rail going to have to get deep in the pump if you want to move this number 2 Pete. D-Rail going to have to get deep in the pump if he want to move this number 2 Sneaky Pete. Hey, Mr. 418, tell him I said he got to get deep, deep, deep to move this Pete. I'm gone.
Lord be my mercy. D-Rail say his rotor is stuck somewhere on that end. Got look at you right there talking about he got to get deep, deep, deep. Hey, Coach, you say tell D-Rail he got to get deep, deep, deep to move this Sneaky Pete. But I don't think he came out here to push and shove Coaster, man. I think he was just waving my way. That's a Duck Luggage Show. Take care, Coaster, the son of a bad man. Take care, D-Rail. I see you.
All right, let me put a little bit more out there. That D-Rail's a bad man up there. But nonetheless, I got to get up out here and put this thing back on the quiet side. Tell Mr. D-Rail we say hello out of duty, and I'm going to stand down and stop this Watergate. Mr. 418 roller coaster is getting down.
Another roller coaster, no playing no string. You stayed on a little longer than him, man. I had a little more of him than I did you, man, on that end. So Lord be my mercy. I don't know what he was saying, man, but I don't think he came out here to do no pushing and shove because he said his rotor is somewhere else on that end. I ain't making no excuses for nobody, Cotton, because if he want to throw it down, we can do it. Take care, Coaster. You say you're stopping the Watergate. I see you.
I can hear him up there around the north side of Georgia. All right, then. I'm going to stand down. He should have stood down till I got finished. He should have stood down till I got finished, Kevin Mickey. Don't come out here trying to key on me when my cue so ain't over. I'll let you later. Hey, Mr. 418, I'm quiet. Bye-bye.
Hey, roller coaster, you said a mouthful of righteousness, man. And I can't discriminate. I hate on what you say. You said the cat nigga should have stood by until you got done. And if his hole was stuck where it was at. Don't come on Super Bowl using no excuses on that cotton picking here, cotton because you got that teeth out in the middle of the street. Hey, Coaster, take care, my friend. Hope I get a chance to put my hand in your hand once again like we did before. Mr. Roller Coaster, you know what it is. I'm getting down, I'll see you.
All you said was all else got. You got the big horn. You got the big horn on hold. You got the big horn on hold. All right, I'm getting up out of here. The 418 show is over. The 418 show is over, and I'm gonna stop this gate. 418. Bye.
Hey, Lord have mercy, man. What'd you do? Stop keying? Hey, D-Rail, the fat man said, did you stop keying, D-Rail? That break.
God damn, the fat man in my radio now. The fat man is in my radio calling D-Rail. Roller coaster is getting down.
Good evening to you, Roller Coaster. I didn't mean to get in your radio, man. Hey, Roller Coaster, I did not mean to get in your radio. Good evening to you, Roller Coaster. The fat man getting down.
Boy, you got it going on. You got it going on. I was talking to Mr. 418, but seemed like condition must have moved up there in my Idaho. I'm still looking up there and in the big horn cab, nigga. And you got that damn hammer down. Hey, the fat man, holla at you later. I'm going to stand down. Roller coaster, the son of a bad man, is getting down. Boy, that was a train wreck. I heard you say, tell Mr. 418, you said, hold on, how they do that here? That was a duck plugging train wreck in my radio, but I'm going to get up out of here. Y'all take care. I didn't think I done got enough of my fix on. I done got a second round of my fix on of this RF on the Super Bowl. Roller coaster making GA is quiet.
And I ride a double R, no playing no string. You say you working at 418, you say you wondering what the heck I was. I was down there conducting business. Oh, young blood, the number 13 man in the hole, young motherfucker. Oh, I should be done with that thing sometime this week. That's a special show. That stuff was waiting on me. It's a double show. Double R, you'll take this shit right back. No Raj on D-Rail looking the other way. No Raj on Mr. D-Rail looking the other way. You eased up in my radio. Mother Nature's everywhere. She's everywhere. Hello, 12531 Omaha. Come on down. Hello, Rider Double R, Greenville. You said long? No good. Roller coaster. 13 man in the whole yard getting down. 18's a more they want and the more they cotton pickers keep.
Yeah, who that in the hall, y'all? I'm about to turn this thing on, man. Hello around the hall, y'all. I heard you calling me saying no Roger. Roller coaster in Georgia with a good evening around the hall, y'all. It's quiet.
Get down. Hey, roller coaster blood. Hey, y'all got all that short skip going on. Hey, roller coaster, y'all got that short skip going on. You can't keep with them big boys that short skip.
Hey, Blood, I'm going to say hello to you. I think he said Blood. Hey, fat man, I ain't looking at you, Kim, nigga, but you still on my damn radio. Tell me we got that short skip going on. Hey, Blood, hello, how to do this team. I got to get up out there and get ready for the Sugar Mine tomorrow. Roller coaster in Georgia, so I got to go. I'm back 10 quiet, 10-7, bye-bye. Bye. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be blowing any smoke up there around Idaho. I'm sorry, kid. Man, fat man, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Hey, Blood in the hog, yeah. I'll catch y'all later. Roller coaster, say I'm gonna stop this water gate. I'm 10-7. Bye-bye.
Peter Rabbit. God, Biggie, you ain't blowing smoke. You started the fire.
You brought 5 gallons of gasoline and a match to the Super Bowl. You are not blowing smoke. You started the fire. Roller coaster, I'll see you.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to start no fire. I didn't mean to blow no duck plugging smoke. I just came out here to do my duck plugging thing on the Super Bowl because I don't get a chance to do it all the time because I'm always at the sugar mine. Hey, the fat man. Hey, the fat man. What you think you doing in Macon, Georgia, fat man roller coaster, the son of a bad man is quiet?
Oh, you. Bye. Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. What's going on with good job. Yeah, the boss of ATL. What a golden horse that down there on ATL.
Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. I'm 10-7.
200 cars, Tom. Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. Something like that, bro. Peter Rabbit. No focus, Ron. Yeah, I do it. Peter Rabbit. Damn station down.
Is that your whole conversation? Hey, Peter Rabbit, is that your whole conversation, Kev, nigga? You got to get you a conversation and stop just saying Peter Rabbit. Let me get out of here. I'm 10-7. Roller coaster making GA Keno mode. Gone.
Listen, D-Rail, take care of yourself, man. I'm pulling the plug. I'll see you. Why don't you point down to Southern California, got bigger? Hey, D-Rail. Man, when he's dropped them on Mondays, you gotta come to the center of attention. You can't be pointing to Texas and got big in Northern Cal or over Colorado. Why you gotta point all over there? How come you can't point to the center of attention? How come you can't point to Fireball there, Break? Oh, you, Mr. Peter Rabbit, preacher man standing by.